The law against sexual harassment at workplace got notified in the official gazette on 9th December 2013. We also call it the POSH law. It's been 8 years since then. On its 8th anniversary, we at POSH at Work wanted to understand the level of awareness about this law amongst public at large. We conducted a survey and asked the following questions. So, we asked the participants whether they know about the existence of the POSH law. 92% participants said they are aware about the existence of this law. 40% said they came to know about it from the policy at their current workplace. We see this as a major win for this law. We also asked them who can file a complaint of sexual harassment. 66.21% thought that this is a gender-neutral law. Only 17.80% correctly stated that this law is for aggrieved women. We also asked if their organizations had a policy against sexual harassment at workplace. 85.18% stated that their organization had a policy. So we also asked them who can file the complaint under the policy. 71.67% participants told us that their organization's policy is gender neutral, which means all genders can complain. For awareness, we asked if they had attended any programs in the past. 77.13% participants said they have attended programs on the subject. We also asked if organizations have posters in office premises, intranet, etc. 74.85% said that they do have posters on the subject. Lastly, we asked if their organization has an internal committee, IC. 81.25% said they have an IC. Additionally, we wanted to know if citizens are aware of the redressal mechanism provided by government. So we asked if participants knew what a local committee, LC, is. 63.60% participants knew what a local committee is. 59.41% participants knew that a local committee is authorized to handle sexual harassment related concerns. We also asked the participants if they know how to reach out to LC members in case they have a complaint to register. 81.17% participants did not know how to reach out to LC members. Lastly, we asked the participants if they knew the difference between a local committee and an internal committee. 52.49% participants did not know the difference between the two. We have reached a long way and a lot needs to be done. Here's wishing everyone the 8th anniversary of POSH law.